Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, Way Out Here. Today we're going to take you through the steps of making elk stew, so follow along. So today we're going to work on making some elk stew in a Dutch oven on a campfire in the backyard. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm just going to cube up some elk roasts. This is last fall winter cow elk. So it's, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's still a little bit frozen in the middle, which is the way I like it. To cube it up makes it way easier to cube. I like to do larger cube sizes, you know, inch plus, not a real big deal. They're going to cook down, pretty much shred. I'm going to do a combination of elk and then put it in some tomato sauce, almost kind of like a Swiss steak recipe. And probably throw in some leftover vegetables that we had from the other night. Alright, we got our seasonings ready. We got, I like this. I've been going to this store in Fort Collins, Colorado for a while, Rocky Mountain Potlatch seasoning. And they also have one that's a wild game spice blend. And black pepper, salt. I like paprika. I'll probably just do a little bit of this steakhouse seasoning. Paprika, and a little bit of steakhouse seasoning. Especially in a stew like this, I like a lot of extra seasoning. You kind of see what the consistency is there, and then you just mix it up. That should be good. Now it's ready to put in the Dutch oven and brown it. Meet you out at the campfire. Let that heat up for a few minutes and we'll get the meat going. All right, the butter's all melted and sizzling, so we're gonna go ahead and start adding our meat to get it all browned up. I love cooking by a Dutch oven over campfire, even if it is in our backyard. It's still worth it. All right, you can see it's all getting nice and browned here. I'll pour in a good old Coors Original. Let that just sit in there and simmer for a while, and we'll add the rest of the ingredients. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, so we're gonna check the meat here. It's been simmering for a little bit. Check it and stir it. If you don't have one of these pit mitts, I suggest it. Pretty handy. They're a fairly inexpensive item at just regular grocery store, but it's like having a hot pad in a glove. That's looking really good here. Boiling away, simmering away. So we'll go ahead and get the rest of the ingredients added. So I have some chipotle peppers. Can of diced tomatoes. should have said it's 2 cans of diced tomatoes. A little more steakhouse seasoning. A Harvest Blend seasoning, which is some peppers and whatnot. And just a touch more salt. Stir that all up. We'll let it keep simmering. There you go. It's all mixed up. Let it simmer for a while. Another probably close to an hour or so. And I'll put the lid back on here. Okay, now we let it cook. All right, our stew is about done here. Just get the lid off, we'll show it to you, and then we're going to take it inside and get ready for dinner. A little bit ago I added some leftover carrots, Brussels sprouts and stuff from dinner the other night. So there it is, all finished up. We'll go in the house and get it cooled off and serve it up. Okay, it's all ready here. My daughter's over at a friend's house tonight, so it's only the 3 of us, but here we go. Elk stew. It's going to be delicious. Thanks for following us. Have a good day. One final tidbit. It's a salad almost all from our garden with some roasted onions and garlic and tomatoes and kale and all kinds of stuff like that. There you go. That's a fine little bit.